Please see the link in the description to download a worksheet for this video. We use the word average at home and in our jobs. You may have heard the word average when people were talking about sports. For example, the team with the red shirts scores an average of 3 goals per game. You may have heard the word average when people are talking about the weather. For example, the average high temperature during June in Minneapolis is 79 degrees Fahrenheit. You may have heard people use the word average when they're talking about speed. For example, the average speed for these boats is 15 miles per hour. In this video, we'll learn the formula to calculate the average for a set of numbers, other ways to write the formula to calculate the average, and other words and phrases related to average. Let's start with the formula to calculate the average for a set of numbers. In math, the word average is the solution to this division problem. This formula tells us how to calculate the average for a set of numbers. The average of that set equals the sum of those numbers divided by the number count. Here's an example. Let's say we want to know the average weight of these dogs. The one with the red leash weighs 12 pounds. The one with the blue leash weighs 7 pounds. And the one with the yellow leash weighs 8 pounds. To calculate the average, we start by writing the formula. Then, we write down the numbers in this set. Then, we find the number count. There are 3 numbers in this set, so the number count is 3. Next, we calculate the sum of the numbers. 12 plus 7 plus 8 equals 27. The sum of the numbers in this set is 27. Now, we use substitution to replace the words in the formula with numbers. We replace the phrase sum of numbers with 27. We replace the phrase number count with the number 3. Finally, we do the division problem. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. The average weight of these dogs is 9 pounds. Please note that none of the dogs weighs 9 pounds. We calculate the average for a set of numbers. We do not select one of the numbers in the set when trying to determine the average. Next, we'll show other ways to write the formula to calculate the average. We often write the formula for average like this. That's because this horizontal bar means the same as the division symbol. Both of these formulas are saying the same thing. Our last topic is to discuss other words and phrases related to average. In everyday use, we use the word average, but on a math test or in math books, you might come across the word mean. Some people even use the phrase arithmetic mean. The word average and the word mean can be used interchangeably, so they have the same formula. Sometimes you'll see formulas use the word value rather than the word number. Other times you will see the phrase how many numbers there are instead of the phrase number count. All of these are describing the same idea. Thanks for your attention.